The Dorian Way has a members-only trading club, and we hope you'll join us. Let's take a look at the many benefits organized into 6 major categories. First, the foundation of membership is in the content itself. When you join, you gain access to Course 1 of the Dorian Way School hosted on Thinkific. Course 1 teaches you the essential information you need to begin to trade options on futures and stock in a smart manner. The course is self-paced with docs, videos, and check-in quizzes. All live member content is recorded, so you can go back and watch and learn at the right pace for you. We even offer reading suggestions so you can gain additional knowledge from others. Membership includes several live teaching events per week. Every Monday evening, we go in-depth on a lesson from Course 1 of the Dorian Way School for those who need and want more than a self-paced option. On Wednesday evenings, we teach strategies and discuss current trends, and on Sundays, our instructors present on a specific topic of their choice. For example,
the content that I brought in today, I think is very interesting, is relevant in not only the equity markets, but also the derivatives markets, options, futures, and all that. And it is 4 different ways of analyzing sentiment in the stock market. That's what we're going to see, okay? So let's just dive right in.
Members enjoy many opportunities to watch and participate in live trading. Every Friday morning, we trade all together on the trading floor. Members try out new trades, observe aggressive day trading, and get real-time help.
Right, because you needed 280.
280, yeah.
You needed 280. So if you did 2 contracts there, then that would give you a lot more than what you need. So I would move away. Let's just say you went to something like this.
For members not quite ready to make trade decisions on their own, our Follow, Learn, and Earn program allows members to follow along on a demonstration account and make the exact trades, all while learning the justifications for those trades. There are also regular pop-up opportunities where instructors will go live and show the trading they are doing on their accounts. For many, the support we offer is a major benefit of membership. Not only do we help you get set up with your trading platform of choice, we give you many opportunities to ask questions. Make a mistake on your account? No problem. We'll help you sort it out. Plus, as a member, you have access to discounted one-on-one sessions with a mentor if you need to go in-depth in a particular area. For those looking mostly for trade ideas, as a member, you get access to Option Shopper, a sophisticated program where you choose the stock and the tool will suggest an option contract. Several times a week, we also offer trade ideas via email. These ideas have been scrutinized using the Dorian Way criteria and provide a jumping-off point for you. As one of our members, Julie, says, trading can be a lonely business. Membership in the trading club provides camaraderie with like-minded traders. You start the trading week off by connecting with a group during a 30-minute Monday morning briefing. Then, you'll connect with others later in the week when we check in on our Follow, Learn, and Earn account. And lastly, we have a monthly friendly competition to see which of our members has the best performing portfolio for the month. We interview each month's winner and give members the opportunity to learn from them and how they did it. Membership in the Dorian Way Trading Club will add value to your life and portfolio through our personalized and multifaceted approach. Learn more and join us at dorianway.com/learn-more.